Hello. Today, we have a COVID update, May 21st, 2021. If you look at this picture here, that is our State House at the Capitol, and you see it's lit up with green lights. And that is because today is the first day that many of the COVID restrictions and requirements, masking, social distancing, restrictions of capacity in stores and other places, all of those are being removed. So today things are going back and there's reopening 100%. Not all places, but most places to 100%. If you remember last week, the CDC, the Center for Disease and Control at the federal government, made an announcement. It said that those who are fully vaccinated, who have all of their vaccination shots, do not need to wear a mask. They've done scientific research and they say that it is safe for those who are fully vaccinated to not wear a mask while outside and indoors as well, with some exceptions. So if you look back at this second picture here, this explains what is open. So I'm going to go through and explain those now. So the 6 feet social distancing, and then recently reduced to 3 feet, is now removed. Remember before we were saying you needed to be a certain distance from people, you could distance your arms, that's now removed. Also, the social gatherings have been limited. It was at one point 10, 25, 50 people, and more recently it was 100 indoors and 250 outdoors. Now those social restriction gatherings are removed. And restaurants previously had restrictions. Now they're back to. Secondly, bars have no restrictions. People who are sitting at the bar or standing and drinking, the plexiglass will be removed. It's now open. Also, catering events have no restrictions. It is back to 100% capacity. Houses of worship, churches, religious services also have no restrictions. People can gather again for worship. Retail stores, malls, shopping centers, all those types of stores no longer have restrictions. They're open to all. Gym, sporting events, all of those have no restriction and are open. Personal services, which would include manicures, pedicures, getting your hair done, hairdressers, all of those are open with no restrictions. Movie theaters, large venues for assembly and different types of gatherings no longer have restrictions. Funeral homes also have no restrictions, indoor or outdoor. Employment offices are also open with no restrictions. Previously, it was to 66%, and then it went up to 80% capacity, and now all are welcome back to work. Swimming pools, beaches also have no longer any types of restrictions, boating, fishing, and other recreation there. Casinos like Twin Rivers have no restrictions and limitations. They're fully open. Sporting events have no limitations. People can go and don't have to wear a mask. However, there are certain restrictions for that. For example, kids who are in school from now until June need to remain wearing masks for now. Once the summer and fall comes, masks will no longer be required. So that is a change, but reopening in Rhode Island. I do want to let you know of one other thing. Businesses, business owners, stores, retail centers, Many of them have mixed feelings about this 100% capacity. I was also surprised by this happening so soon. I was expecting it more in the summer and seeing the vaccination statistics rise more before opening. Businesses do have the right to require masks if you are going into their store, if you are using their service. Any of the businesses and government services will also put up signs that require masks. Please comply with that and don't argue with it. So once again, please be respectful and follow and comply the requests and requirements of local businesses to wear a mask. The Rhode Island State Department of Health and Governor McKee emphasized that yesterday, that they really would like to see respect and honor given to business owners for the next few weeks to months until they feel that it is safe and they will remove their private restrictions or requirements.